Hello, Olivia. Can you see me? Hello, nice to see you again. How are you today?
Happy today.
Wow, I like your background. Where are you? Where are you?
At home.
At home. Okay, today is Friday. Yes. Are you happy? Hello, ate.
Good evening, Mom.
Okay, Olivia. Today is Friday. Are you happy?
Yes.
Because why most of the people happy in Friday? What do you think? Why most of the people are happy in Friday? Because most of the people um having a rest day. Yes. Having a rest day. Okay, Olivia, did you had already your dinner? Did you eat your dinner already?
No.
Oh, what did you eat?
No. Not yet.
Not yet. How about snack? Do you have eaten a snack?
No.
Oh, why? You don't like? Do you like lollipop? Do you like lollipop? Oh, this is a
Yes.
lollipop. A lollipop. It's a strawberry lollipop.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. It's yummy. Mm. Lollipop. Ah, meet Olivia. Come here, son. Come here, baby. Yes, this is my baby. Hello, Olivia. Hello. Say hello. Hello, friend. Mm-mm. 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 Okay, Olivia. Are you ready to our lesson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Okay, let's have new words. Page 20. Okay, page 20.
9.
23. Okay, I will play the video first before we listen to the audio. Okay.
Alright.
Ike,
Ike.
Ike,
Ike.
bike,
Bike.
bike,
Bike.
Ike, bike,
Bike.
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 l, Ike,
Ike.
like,
Like.
like,
Like.
Ike,
Ike.
like,
Like.
hike, hike,
Hike.
hike,
Hike. Hike.
Ike,
Hike.
hike, hike.
m, Ike, Mike,
Mike.
Mike,
Mike.
Ike,
Ike.
Mike,
Mike.
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 bike, like, hike, Mike,
Bike.
Bike, like, hike,
Hike.
Mike.
Mike.
I'm,
l, I'm, lime, lime,
La.
I'm,
I'm.
lime,
Lime.
lime.
d, I'm, dime, dime,
Dime.
I'm,
I'm.
Dime.
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 I'm, time, time,
I'm,
I'm.
time, time.
lime, dime, time,
Lime, dime, time. Ein,
n, ein, nine, nine,
Nine.
no, ein,
Ein.
Nine.
Nine.
m,
Ma.
ein,
Ein.
Mine.
Mine.
mine,
Mine.
ma, ein,
Ein.
Mine.
Mine.
ein, pine,
Pine.
pine,
Pa.
Ein, pine,
Pine.
pine.
l,
La.
ein,
Ein.
line,
Lime.
line,
La,
La.
ein,
Ein.
line,
Line.
line.
Nine.
Nine.
Mine.
Mine.
Pine.
Pine.
Line.
Line.
9.
Nine.
Mine.
Mine.
Pine. Line.
Line.
Ite.
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 Kite.
Kite.
Ite.
Ite.
Kite.
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 B.
B.
Ite.
Ite.
Bite.
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 B.
Bite.
Ite.
Ite.
Bite.
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 Kite.
Kite.
Bite.
Bite.
Kite.
Kite.
Bite.
Bite. Okay, Olivia, good job. Now let's listen to the audio. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will play the audio now.
Yeah.
Please listen carefully.
Track 24. New words.
Listen to the words first. Then say and write. Ike.
Yeah.
Ike.
B.
Bike.
Track 24. New words.
Listen to the words first. Then say and write. Ike.
Ike.
B. Ike.
Ike.
Bike.
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 Ike. Bike. Bike.
L. Ike. Like. Like.
L. Ike. Like. Like.
Ike. Hike. Hike.
Ike. Hike. Hike.
M. Ike. Mike. Mike.
M. Ike. Mike. Mike.
Bike. Like. Hike. Mike.
Bike.
Bike.
Like.
Like.
Hike.
Hike.
Mike.
I'm.
I'm.
L.
La.
I'm.
I'm.
Lime.
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 The. I'm. Lime. Lime.
D.
Da-
I'm.
I'm.
Dime.
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 D. I'm. Dime. Dime.
I'm. Time.
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 I'm.
I'm.
Time.
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 Lime.
Lime.
Dime.
Dime.
Time.
Dime.
Lime.
Lime.
Dime.
Time.
Time.
Ein.
I'm.
N.
Na.
Ein.
I'm.
Nine.
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 N.
Nine.
I'm.
Nine.
Nine. Nine.
M. Ein.
Ein.
Mine.
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 M. I'm.
Mine.
Mine. Mine.
Ein. Pine. Pine.
Ein. Pine. Pine.
L.
La.
Ein.
I'm.
Line.
Lime.
Line.
Lime.
L. Ein.
Lime. Lime.
Line.
Nine. Mine. Pine. Line.
9. Mine.
Mine.
Pine.
Pine.
Line.
Line.
Ite.
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 Kite.
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 Ite.
Ite.
Kite.
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 B.
B.
Ite.
Ite.
Bite.
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 B. Ite. Bite. Bite.
Kite.
Kite.
Bite.
Bite.
Kite.
Kite.
Bite.
Bite. Okay, good job. Now, Olivia, please start. Say the word and write the correct spelling. You can use your pen. What is this? What is this?
Bike.
Okay, write the correct spelling. B I K E. Very good. Bike. Okay, next. What is this? What is this? Like. Like. Do you have a bike, Olivia? Do you have a
No.
bike? Oh, what do you have? A car? Do you have a own car?
No.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's have like. Like.
Like.
Mhm. L.
L. L.
Mm-hmm. I.
K.
K. E. Very good. Like. Okay, how about you, Olivia? What do you like?
Like cat.
Yes, I like cats. Okay, next. Oh, what's this? What is this?
Brown.
This is a hike. Yes, hike.
This is
Okay, this is hike. Hike. You go in a mountain, you hike it. Ah, yes, hike. Hike.
like
H. Okay, H, not K. H I K E. Hike, like this. Hike. Mm-hmm. Hike. Next, what is this? What is this, Olivia? Oh, what's that? What's that? Is that a doll? What are you holding? Is that a food? What's that, Olivia? What are you doing? I can't see. Okay, Olivia. This is Mike.
my
Mike. Okay, can you please spell Mike? M
my K
M I K E.
don't
Mm-hmm.
am I
Very good. Okay, now let's have I'm. What is this?
I'm
Lime.
9
Mm-hmm. Okay, now please spell lime.
9
Mm,
L I
L
I
I M
N
E.
E
Yes, very good. Lime. Do you like lime, Olivia?
was not
Do you like
9
lime?
was not
Lime is like a lemon. The green
no
one.
no
Why?
5
Oh, because it's sour. Hmm.
7
Yes. Okay, next. Can you please tell me what is this?
a down
Dime.
time
Dime. Yes, a dollar. A coin. Now, can you please spell dime? Can you please?
D
D
I
I M
N
E.
E
Very good. Dime. Okay, next. How about this? What is this?
Clock.
Time.
Time.
Time. Yes. Is time important to us? Yes or no? Is the time important to us? Yes or no? Yes, it's important. Now, can you please spell time?
Time. Time. T. I.
Mm-hmm.
M. E. Time. Whoa. Done.
Mm-hmm. Ay, no, 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 no. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, time. Very good. T-I-M-E. Very good. Next. How about this? What number is this?
Time.
9. Can you please spell 9?
I. N. E.
Mm-mm. P-I-N-E. Very good. Okay. 9. Oh, that's not. Okay, the correct spelling is 9.
Time.
9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay, next, this one. What's this? It's mine. Mm-hmm. Okay, what is the spelling of mine?
Easy, easy. Mine.
Put this back. Put this back. M I N E. Mine.
Mine.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next. How about this? Mine. Okay, again. M I N E. Mine.
Mine.
Mm-hmm.
M. I.
Mm-hmm.
N. E.
Mm-hmm.
Ito.
Mine. Okay, next. What is this? P. What is this? Pine. A
Pine.
pine. This is a pine tree. Pine tree. Okay, the spelling of pine is P-I-N-E. Oh, this one. What is this?
Steg.
A line. Okay, L-I-N-E. How about this? What is this? What is this?
Kite.
Kite. Very good. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next. Oh, this is a bite. Mm-hmm. Bite. Very good. Well done. Okay, next. Let's have the next picture. Circle what you hear. Please listen and circle the picture you hear, okay?
Here, outlet.
I will start the audio now.
So the audio now.
Track 25.
Listen and circle the picture you hear.
Here.
Number 1.
Time. Time.
Time.
Number 2.
Bike.
Time. Number
Bike.
1, time.
Number 3.
Line. Line.
Bike.
Number
Number
4.
2.
Dime. Dime.
Dime. Very good.
Number 5.
Hike. Hike.
Right.
Mhm.
Number
6.
6.
Lime.
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 Wow, good job. Okay, we are done with our lesson. Let's have a game. Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game, Olivia? Yes, let's play a game. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Four and you.
Now you will be team 1 and I will be team 2. Okay, please select your answer.
Number
Mm-hmm.
4.
Number 4, go to a first place. Wow. My turn, number 14. This is
Rainbow.
rainbow. Yes. Okay, your turn.
Number 3.
Number 3, what is it?
Earring.
Earring. Very good. Next, my turn, 16. What is this?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Okay, your turn.
Number 11.
Number 9.
Yes.
Okay, what is it? Number 9, what is it?
Okay. Gotcha, you focused on.
Sunglasses.
Yes, very good. Sunglasses. My turn. Oh, I will take 15 points. Your turn. 11, 10, 12, 13.
Number 9.
It's done. Number 9. What number?
Number 5.
5. Okay, what is it?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Correct. My turn. Oh, butterfly. Next, your turn.
Number
12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6.
number 2.
Number 2. It's a
Cheeseberry.
strawberry. Okay. Next, my turn. Snowman. Yes, your turn.
7.
Number 7. What is it?
Ice cream.
Okay, iPhone. Next, my turn. Video game. Video game. Your turn. Last 4.
Number 10.
Number 10. Okay, what is it?
Keyboard.
Skateboard. Very good. My turn. Honeymoon. Honeymoon. Okay, next. 1 or 6.
Okay.
Okay, 6. What is it?
Jellyfish.
Yes, a jellyfish, and other team loses 15 points. Oh my God, you are the winner. Okay, good job, Olivia. Now let's have a reward. Do you want a reward?
Yes.
Yes, let's have a reward. Okay, this one. Oh, where is it? Okay, private class, Olivia. Active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing homework, doing task, good student, helping teacher, on task, participating, persistence, and working hard. Good job, Olivia. Well done. And because of that, I'm giving you a hair comb. Yes, a hair comb. A cute pink hair comb. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Okay. Now, Olivia, I'm sorry, it's almost time. See you next class. See you on Monday. Goodbye, Olivia. Good night. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next class. Bye. Good night.
Hello.
Ingat. Bye bye.